wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ. I'm a shut selector boy.
What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco. You don't know what time it is. Yo, gang, that mafia, we back in this bitch with another banger reaction. You see me and say, yo, shout out to everybody that was part of the live last night. You don't know, it was lit. You feel me? Reacted to the Caribbean Music Awards. You know, it was lit on the live. You know what I'm saying? So if you missed the live, make sure you in the next one. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. And we're back in it. You don't know, the lives are always lit. Remember, you check out. Remember, you keep your eyes looking out for that. We always lit. So keep your eyes out for that one. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and today we got, you see what I deal with, man. Yeah, man, we're there with the ratty young boss himself. The best video of the year winner at the CMAs himself. You don't know, Skeng. Yeah, there with the one in the entitled She. This one he dropped like 2 days ago. I've been at this up. I was supposed to drop it like a couple of hours after he dropped this video in the reaction. But I never got around to reacting or listening to it. So you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do that today and so them I deal with. You see me? We're not gonna hold up vibe much longer. Yo, make sure y'all check out the Discord, man. Link in the description, man. We lit over there, man. You get early previews and everything. You see me? Talk to me directly and all that. You know what I'm saying? The whole 9 yards. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you over there on the Discord, gang. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, man. Like I said, we got yeah, man. We got Skeng today, and they want to entitled She. I'll see what that got deal with on his trap. Let's get it.
Yo, Yo, Shaka.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, the beat on this one crazy, gang. You know what I'm saying? We dog gotta start off this. Come on, I want him produce on. Come on, let's get it.
Fat pussy come and make me feel it up. Jump on the fuck truck, buckle up the road up. Something tight, no lie, it tight till it too buff. Me for beat the drum, no come gonna knock so. Every song you sing so, if me for bingo. Every day me fuck you like tires, me no fuck. You don't get the vibes, send me a pan janko.
Oh, yo, alright, the one that's a beat me like the vibe on the one that see me dog, see me fuck you like a years, me no fuck. I'm telling you, man.
Me a superstar and I know wife me alone. Me got the beat like mountain. Something was early my team was we got the feet like mountain.
She, I don't the feet that me a one time, Lord. Y'all do one now, I gotta go out. Yeah, man.
Up on the knees to show us something was early my team ring the stop line. Real top dogs, funny had mud dog. Much bones stack about them, I swing you, give me that. I squeeze off raja like on the blast. Somebody, some go on, I'm all.
I say, yo, like a soccer ball or something, swing you in that, and then you. I saw you now, yo, it's getting good.
And if you don't like me, go and suck your mother. Safe in a gal and strike like murder. I'm sure I got some rich.
I don't like it, that mafia, you know, you're so poke your mother straight.
We got the feet like mountain.
Easy no more. Yeah, but you hear that. Easy no.
We got the feet like mountain.
I'm going good now every day, that mafia want to say, eh? Come in.
Up on the knees to show us something was early my teabag.
Come in.
Fat pussy come and make me feel it up. Jump on the fuck truck, buckle up the road up. Something tight, no lie, it tight.
I say, fat pussy girl, come here, so make me feel it up. Jump on the fuck truck, buckle up the road rough. That man, come in, know what I mean?
Kill it too buff, me for beat the drum, no come gonna knock so. Every song you sing so, if me for bingo. Every day me fuck you like tires, me no fuck. You don't get the vibes, send me a pan janko. Me a superstar and I know wife me alone. Big dirty feet like mountain.
She? Boy, dog find a different flow upon the one. Now come in, man.
Up on the knees to show us something was early my teabag. Big dirty feet like mountain. Up on the knees to show us something was early my teabag.
Hey, I mean, dog, hey, dog, find the one. I think dog upon how this. You see me? I think I'm hard. You know what I mean? I dog find mad, man. You got him right on us. You see, mama? Like, don't look at me like that. I'm tell you, hey, that mafia, what you say? She valid? Oh, God. Mad video. What you mean? Drive the boat. Come on. Easy, no? Hey, y'all, let me go on, no. Skeng. Find another one for the girls, them. You know what I'm saying? That flow, yeah. Mad. You see me, I say? Different. Different from your normal style. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, fair again. One thing about the one day. Yeah, man. That's a Skeng. She. Yeah, man. That go and dog chop it up on the one day, man. You see me? Flow the mad. Flow was crazy and everything. You see me? Video was nice and everything. The girl, them, they're going good. Yeah, man. Definitely. You see me? Like a dog can switch it up, man. You know? Change it up. Everybody expect. Enough people expect the flow. You see me? I don't know if I had to tune that and real voice. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, dog did a good job on the track, man. That was a vibe, man. Shout out to Skeng. As me, that boy run music of the year, music video of the year. Look like he dog trying to do it again next year. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, yeah, real dope track, man. Shout out to Skeng. Again, let me know what y'all think about that in the comment section, man. It was a vibe. As me, I win music of the year, video of the year, and I know Skeng feeling good right now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you see me, a lot of things. I enjoy the CMAs. You know what I'm saying? There was a lot of good votes on that, you know what I'm saying? A lot of good awards. They did pretty well for the first year, you know what I'm saying? And gang, you don't know, let me know anything about the track. But if you like, you go show artists some love and support, make you know say Jambisco and send make you know say that mafia strong over yassa. You see me? Also, gang, go join the Discord, link in the description. You see me? I say go over there. Join Discord, link in the description. You can send me videos to react to, requests, all that good stuff. Talk to me directly. I don't know, we'll it over there. It's a vibe. You don't know. Till next time, you don't know about Jambisco, you're in a banger. Yourself and each other. Love you guys.